will just conclude with a song today, again written by Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur. And this is not from Sharanagati, this is actually coming from Odunodai Kirtan. So, Odunodai means, Odun means actually Surya or sun, Uday means rise. So, when the sun rises in the east, what should be our dincharya, or what should be our routine, or what should be our activities? Regarding that, Bhaktivinoda Thakur actually wrote many songs, and this song also gives us a glimpse of the traditional Gaudiya Vaishnavas, like what they do, or what they used to do, and even till now, like in the West, it's very difficult to get the glimpse actually, because of the lifestyle, because of the circumstance, because of the place, time. So yeah, so we actually don't get the exact glimpse of like what actually Gaudiya Vaishnavas do. But if you still go to Navadvip, Mayapur, Jagannath Puri, you will still see this kind Vrindavan Dham, even in Vrindavan Dham there are all sampradayas are there, but Gaudiya Vaishnav sampradayas are are the prime most or foremost in Vrindavan Dham. And you will see that what Gaudiya Vaishnavas do. So first I will sing the song and then just read the translation. Then I think like it will be easier for all of us to understand. This song is kind of similar to another song like Vivhavari Shesha, but this song is kind of like it's for Navadip Dhama, Udila Aruna Purava Bhage. So it's like if you go to Godrum Dev or Godrum Bhakti Vinod Thakur's Bhajan Kutir, Bhakti Vinod Thakur's place, or in Navadip, this song is being sung like every day. So I just thought of like singing this Arunodai, or like sunrise, like when the sun rises. What kind of song we should sing? Sometimes even the devotees also ask questions like, "Oh, in the morning, which bhajans we should do?" This is one of the bhajans that we should do in the morning. So I will try to follow the morning tune. So even if you go into depth, so in the morning there is a different tune. In the afternoon when you are singing, there's a different tune. And when in the evening or at night when you are singing, there's a different tune. So I will try to follow the morning tune for this one because it is a morning song.
Hare Krishna Mataji, sorry to disturb. Should we repeat Mataji? I would like to repeat Mataji.
But yeah, you can repeat Mataji, but I mean, like while on being mute, I guess.
Okay, okay, Mataji. Okay.
Yeah, because I think like it will create. What do you think, Shanta Mataji? I think like it will create little bit chaos on Zoom, I guess.
Yeah,
Okay,
Oh.
sure. Yes, that's true, Mataji. Sorry. Sorry for the
No, 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 that's
disturbance. Yeah.
fine. That's
Yeah.
fine, Mataji. So I
Mm.
will try to sing each sentence like twice.
Okay,
So
yeah. Yes,
then,
Mataji.
then you can actually sing while on being mute. Sorry, Mataji. If it is in
No, no, no,
person,
Mataji.
definitely.
It's a very beautiful kirtan, Mataji. I miss
yeah.
singing the kirtan, so I wanted to. Yeah, that. Yeah, I understand, Mataji. Thank you. Sorry that is for the disturbance, Mataji.
No,
Please
no,
go ahead, Mataji.
that's great, Mataji. Maybe you can repeat twice, and second time maybe devotees can chant while they are on mute. Okay.
On mute. Yeah,
Yeah.
sure. উদিল অরুণ পূরব ভাগে দ্বিজ মণিগোড়া অমনি জাগে উদিল অরুণ পূরব ভাগে দ্বিজমণি গড়া অমনি জাগে ভকত সমূহ লইয়া সাথে গেল নগর ব্রজে ভকত সমূহ দ্বিজ মনে গোড়া অমনি জাগে, ভকত সমূহ লইয়া সাথে গেলা না গৌড় ব্রজে। তাথই তাথই বাজালো খোল, ঘন ঘন তাহে ঝাঁঝের রোল। তাথই তাথই বাজালো খোলার, ঘন ঘন তাহে ঝাঁঝের রোল। প্রেমে ঢালো ঢালো সোনার অঙ্গ, চরণে নূপুর বাজে। প্রেমে ঢালো ঢালো সোনার অঙ্গ, চরণে নূপুর বাজে। মুকুন্দ মাধব यादव হরি, বলো রে বলো রে বদন ভরে। মুকুন্দ মাধব यादव হরি, বলো রে বদন ভরি। মিছানি দেয়া বাসে গেল রে রাতি, দিবস শরীর সাজে। মিছে নিদাবসে গেল রে রাতি, দিবস শরীর সাজে। এমন দুর্লভ মানব দেহ, পাইয়া কি করো ভাবনা কেহ। এমন দুর্লভ মানব দেহ, পাইয়া কি করো ভাবনা কেহ। এবে না ভজিলে যশোদা সুতা, চরমে পড়িবে লাজে। এবে না ভজিলে যশোদা সুতা, চরমে পড়িবে লাজে। উদিত তপন হইলে অস্ত, দিন গেল বলি হইবে ব্যস্ত। উদিত তপন হইলে অস্ত, দিন গেল বলি হইবে ব্যস্ত। তবে কেন এবে অলস হই, না ভজ হৃদয় রাজে। তবে কেন এবে অলস হই, না ভজ হৃদয় রাজে। জীবনয়ানিত জান হুঁশার, তাহে নানাবিধ বিপদ ভার। জীবনয়ানিত জান যতনে তুমি থাকো আপন কাজে, নামাশ্রয় করি যতনে তুমি থাকো আপন কাজে, জীবের কল্যাণ সাধন কাম জগতে আসিয়ে মধুর নাম, জীবের কল্যাণ সাধন কাম জগতে আসিয়ে মধুর নাম, অবিদ্যাতিমির তপন রূপে হৃদ গগনে বিরাজে, অবিদ্যাতিমির তপন রূপে হৃদ গগনে বিরাজে, কৃষ্ণ নাম সুধা করিয়া পান জুড়াও ভক্তি বিনোদ প্রাণ, কৃষ্ণ নাম সুধা করিয়া পান জুড়াও ভক্তি বিনোদ প্রাণ, নাম বিনা কিছু নাহি কয়ার, চৌদ্দ ভুবন মাঝে, নাম বিনা কিছু নাহি কয়ার, চৌদ্দ ভুবন মাঝে, উদিল অরুণ পুরব ভাগে, দ্বিজমণি গোড়া অমনি জাগে, উদিল অরুণ পুরব ভাগে, দ্বিজমণি গোড়া অমনি জাগে, ভকত সমূহ লইয়া সাথে গেলা নগর ব্রজে, ভকত সমূহ লইয়া সাথে গেলা নগর ব্রজে, জয় ভক্তি বিনোদ ঠাকুর ভক্তি বিনোদ, ভক্তি বিনোদ ঠাকুর ভক্তি বিনোদ, জয় ভক্তি বিনোদ ঠাকুর ভক্তি বিনোদ, ভক্তি বিনোদ ঠাকুর ভক্তি বিনোদ, জয় জয় প্রভুপাদ প্রভুপাদ প্রভুপাদ, জয় জয় প্রভুপাদ, নিতাই গৌর হরি বল হরি বল হরি বল হরি বল. So just let's read the translation. Anyone wants to read? Like everybody wants to read the translation one by one, or how do you want to go?
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yeah.
Can
Yeah.
I start first verse, Mataji?
Yes.
When the rising sun appeared in the east, the jewel of the twice born, Lord Gaurasundara awakened, and taking his devotees with him, he went all over the countryside, towns and villages.
The mridangas resounded, tathai tathai, and the janihya, large metal kartals that look like small cymbals. In that, Kirtana played in time. Lord Gauranga's golden form slightly trembled in ecstatic love of Godhead, and his foot bells jingled.
All
All
the
the
devotees, yeah,
good,
good.
Mataji.
All the devotees chanted the names Mukunda, Madhava, Yadava, and Hari, their mouths being filled with the vibrations. They would announce to the still sleeping people, "You spend your nights uselessly sleeping and your days decorating your bodies."
You have achieved such a rare human body, but you do not care for this gift. You remain not serving the darling of Yasoda and slowly fall through your last moments to death.
With every rising and setting of the sun, a day passes and is lost. Then why do you remain idle and not serve the Lord of the heart?
This temporary, this temporary life is full of various miseries. Take shelter of the holy name as your only business.
To penetrate the darkness of ignorance and bless everyone's heart, the holy name has risen like the shining sun.
Drink the pure nectar of the holy name of Krishna. There is nothing but the name to be had in the 14 worlds. It has filled the soul of Bhakti Vinoda Thakura.
Thank you everyone for reading. Just a little bit like it's pretty like straightforward. So from the first verse only we can understand the actually like what Mahaprabhu used to do, and like it is even in his Nitya Lila also it is said, our acharyas have mentioned what Mahaprabhu actually does in the very morning when the sun rises. He actually takes all his parshadas, all his associates, and just goes to like every towns and villages of Navadvip Dham. So Navadvip here you can see in the song that Kela Nagara Broje. So one thing is like one way of understanding this meaning is like he went into the towns and villages of Navadvipa. But another way to understand is that Navadvipa is not different from Brajadham, so Brindavan Dham. So there is no difference. If we see our acharyas have mentioned that if we see the difference between Navadvip Dham and Brindavan Dham, there that is like kind of an offense. So yeah, so in this Navadvip Dham, Mahaprabhu always like used to like take his associates and used to do this Nagar Sankirtana, which is very rare to see in the West and even in the yeah, in the metropolitan cities of India as well. But if you still go to like Navadvip Dham, Brindavan Dham, and Jagannath Puri Dham and different villages of Bengal, you can still hear the Nagar Sankirtan, that is Nama Sankirtan, the sound of Nama Sankirtan very early in the morning, you know. So that is the main thing, and that aligns with our Yuga Dharma as well. So in Gaudiya Sampradaya, more than worship or more than anything else, Nama Sankirtana has been emphasized always. So that is why Mahaprabhu actually preached. So it not only cleanses our heart, but it also gives an opportunity for others to purify their hearts. So when we are doing like Nagar Sankirtana, yeah, definitely we are getting the pleasure, but this same pleasure is like kind of like transferred to those souls who are not even taking part. We are actually giving like benefit, you know, agyata sukriti to them. So it is very much recommended. And another thing has been emphasized in this song, that what instruments should you use. So when I was actually singing the Shuddha Bhakata Charanu Renu on the Ekadashi day, that day also you have seen like Bhaktivinoda Thakur always talks about like one or two instruments that should be used in Nama Sankirtan, that is Mridanga and Kartal. So yeah, you can use any other instruments, but these two are primary. So it should be there. And And it is very sweet in the second verse that when the mridangas just resounds and the kartalas just like plays with tune, what happens? Preme dhalo dhalo shonaro ango, like overflowing with prema, Sri Gauranga's golden limbs swayed gracefully. So, and Chorone Nupura Baje, that is causing the ankle bells or the Nupura on his feet to jingle. So, always Mahaprabhu's body, whenever Acharyas have explained, it is said that his body color is like golden, but there's a difference between his golden color and Radharani's golden color. So when we say that Shona means gold, right? Shonaro Ango means like golden color. So it is said that for Mahaprabhu's body color, it is like Kacha Shona. Kacha Shona means like raw gold. But when you kind of like melt it, so that molten gold color is like our Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi. That is Radharani. That is in Bengali, it is called Pakashana. So like raw gold and kind of like molten gold. There's a difference between the Radharani's body color and a little bit of like Mahaprabhu's body color. So both of their body colors are like golden. So when this mridangas actually, when we play mridanga, we have to take it like this. So when we play mridangas and when we play kartalas and when we sing like the Nama Sankirtan, when we are dancing, we have to imagine that actually Mahaprabhu is dancing with us and his nice body is just kind of like swaying very gracefully. Um, in the third verse, it is written that all the devotees chanted the names of Mukunda, Madhava, Yadava, Hari, and Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur kind of actually uh, translated it like this way. Instead of like said like, okay, in the Navadvipa Dham, with Gauranga Mahaprabhu, everybody chanted the names of Mukunda, Madhava. But Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur is saying that Mukunda, Madhava, Yadava, Hari, everyone chant. Like he is asking us to chant. Like he's not saying that all the devotees chanted. He's saying that, oh, every one of us should just chant only Mukunda, Madhava, Yadava, Hari. Everyone chant so that filling your mouths with the holy names of the Lord. Then, because like already we pass our nights in vain, that's what Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur is saying, and captivated by sleep, and our days in decorating our body. Decorating our body means like when like we do so many bodily activities, right? We go to college, we go to office, we do our like family work, household chores, or so many things. Then this morning time is for sadhana. We should utilize this time. Otherwise, like all the days will go in vain. um and then the next verse kind of is saying like, don't any of you think about what you are doing, having achieved this rare human body? If you I'm just reading Bhakti Siddhanta Shashi Thakur's translation actually. So if you do not worship the son of Yashoda now, you will fall into a shameful condition at the time of death, because and the next verse, let me just read the next verse as well. With every rising and setting of the sun, you are busy counting the passing days. Why then do you still remain idle and not worship the Lord of the heart? So it is like saying that every moment is just passing, and like every day we are kind of getting up and every night we go to sleep, but we are not understanding that like, kind of we are getting one day closure to the death. When we talk about death, in this material world, people say that we are very negative, we are pessimistic person, but this is the truth actually. We are actually every day we are getting closure to our death. Any day death can come. So that's why, what is the point of being idle, and what is the point of not worshiping the Lord of the heart? That is our Shamasundar, our Radha Shamasundar. Why should not we like worship the divine couple? Because time is just passing by. We are not even understanding. And then Bhaktivinoda Thakur is also mentioning that if now we do not worship the son of Yashoda, that is our Brajendra Nandan Krishna, then we will fall into a shameful condition at the time of death. I mean, then that at the time of death, even if we just say like, oh, sorry, we missed, those opportunities. Oh, let me give, let me chant now, but we'll not have time. Um, Another point to note that our Gaudiya Acharyas have always indicated Krishna as like either Yashoda Shuta, Nanda Sutta, Brajendra Nandan, because they want us to always remember that Brajendra Nandan, although there is no difference between Brajendra Nandan and Dwarkadhish. Our Dwarkadhish is great, but we are always kind of inclined to our Nanda Sutta, that is our Krishna, that is our Radharani's Krishna, or the Gopi Jana's Krishna. So that is kind of important. That is why like Radha Krishna are our like main deities. Another point, I think the sixth verse is saying the temporary life is full of like various kind of miseries, various troubles, burdens, as we know. And when we earnestly take shelter of the holy name, then we remain engaged in our occupational duties. So this is called Yukta Vairagya, what like Shravanti Mataji was reading today. So we have to earnestly take shelter of the holy name and then remain engaged in our occupational duties, our business. So the thing is that like if we are doing only our material business without taking shelter of the nama, then it kind of becomes like only karma. But like when if we have to turn it into yoga, then we have to take shelter of the holy name, and then we have to remain engaged in our occupational duties, and then those occupational duties can take us closer to the Lord. Otherwise all these works will be just mundane work. And like we cannot say that we are doing all this work by taking sharanagati of Krishna. So yeah, so that's what Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying. The seventh verse is saying kind of like desiring to benefit the living entities, these sweet holy names have come to this material world. So we should be grateful. It is the holy name is not material or mundane. It is actually coming from Goloka Vrindavan. So it is Narottama Das Thakur is saying that Golokera Premadhana Harinama Sankirtana. So this Harinam is not from this material world. Its origin is not from this world. It is actually coming from Golok, from Golok Vrindavan. And when it is coming, why it is coming? Just to benefit us, just to deliver people like us, the fallen souls like us. So when it comes, what happens? This Harinam actually shines like the sun in the sky of the heart. So it destroys the darkness of ignorance. In Chaitanya Charitamrita, it is written that Krishna Shurya Shama Maya hai Andhakar. Right? Krishna is like the sun, and Maya, illusion, is like darkness. When there is night, if we invite sunlight or sunlight comes, then the darkness goes away, right? So similarly, when we are in ignorant situation, or like when we are in ignorance, if we take Krishna Nama, Krishna is like Surya Shama, like Krishna is like that sun which can kind of removes that darkness. So it's very important that we take shelter of Krishna through his nama, through his name. In this Kali Yuga, this is only kind of recommended. And the last one kind of is saying that drink the pure nectar of Krishna Nama, or the holy name of Krishna, and thus give relief to Bhakti Vinoda's burning heart. There is nothing except the holy name within all the 14 worlds. We all know that there are 14 planetary system. So the thing is that Bhakti Vinod Thakur is saying that we should always drink the pure nectar of Krishna Nema, then only always Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying that his heart is burning, but it is actually for us. If we see like that, yes, actually our heart is also burning. We become kind of confused with like little bit happiness. Sometimes happiness comes, sometimes miseries come. Yeah, they don't actually stay for a long period of time. It is kind of temporary. But in whatever situation we are, if we take the pure nectar of Krishna Nema continuously with our tongue, then only all the miseries of our burning heart will be dispelled. So that's why Bhaktivinoda Thakur is reiterating the fact again and again that there is nothing, nothing, nothing except the holy name within all the 14 worlds. Even if we cannot do worship properly, if we cannot do any other activities of the bhakti, I'm not saying that we should do that. We should do all these things, but we should never stop chanting or specifically Harinama Sankirtana. So yeah, that's what I guess this song is saying. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to share this song. Hare Krishna, everyone. Dandavat.
Thank you, Mataji, for a beautiful song and explanation, and reaffirming on the chanting. So maybe we can meet tomorrow. But Mataji, you wanted to conclude with the last lyrics, Mataji, so we can close this call.
Yes, Mataji. So you want me to chant like one paragraph, one
Yeah,
stanza?
one or two,
Yes.
Mataji. Yes, in that way we can close the call. We'll meet tomorrow morning, 5 o'clock.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Udilo yoruno purabu bhage Dvijo monigora amani jage Udilo yoruno purabu bhage Dvijomoni gora amani jage ভকত সমূহ লইয়া সাথে গেলা নগর ব্রজে ভকত সমূহ লইয়া সাথে গেলা নগর ব্রজে তাথই বাজালো খোল ঘন ঘন তাহে ঝাঁঝের রোল প্রেমে ঢালো ঢালো সোনার অঙ্গ চরণে নূপুর বাজে প্রেমে ঢালো ঢালো সোনার অঙ্গ চরণে নূপুর বাজে উদিল অরুণ পুরবু ভাগে দ্বিজমণি গোড়া অমনি জাগে Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Mataji. Thank you for your nectarian singing.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare
Thank
Krishna.
you. Hare Krishna.